Discovering the Treasures of Arizona, USA. Introduction. Welcome to the enchanting state of Arizona, a land of diverse landscapes, vibrant culture, and rich history. In this crash course, we will explore the geography, capital, population, economy, education, brief history, culture, and politics of Arizona. We will also share fascinating stories and examples that highlight the state's unique character. Additionally, we will unveil the top 12 attractions that showcase the beauty and wonder of Arizona. Finally, we will conclude with a captivating poem or song that captures the essence of this remarkable state. 1. Geography and location. Arizona is located in the southwestern region of the United States, bordered by California, Nevada, Utah, New Mexico, and Mexico. The state is renowned for its diverse landscapes, including the Grand Canyon, deserts, mountains, and forests. Arizona's breathtaking scenery attracts adventurers, nature enthusiasts, and photographers from around the world. 2. Capital and population. The capital of Arizona is Phoenix, a bustling city known for its vibrant culture, impressive architecture, and thriving art scene. With a population of over 1.7 million, Phoenix is the fifth largest city in the United States. The metropolitan area of Phoenix is also known as the Valley of the Sun. 3. Economy. Arizona's economy is diverse and relies on sectors such as tourism, aerospace, manufacturing, technology, and agriculture. The state's warm climate, natural wonders, and cultural attractions draw millions of visitors each year. Arizona is also home to numerous technology and research companies, contributing to its economic growth. 4. Education. Arizona is home to several esteemed universities and colleges, including Arizona State University, University of Arizona, and Northern Arizona University. These institutions offer a wide range of academic programs and contribute to research and innovation in various fields. 5. Brief history. Arizona has a rich Native American heritage, with numerous indigenous tribes residing in the region for thousands of years. The area was explored by European settlers in the 16th century and later became part of Mexico. After the Mexican-American War, Arizona was acquired by the United States and eventually became the 48th state in 1912. 6. Culture. Arizona's culture is a vibrant tapestry woven with Native American, Mexican, and Western influences. The state celebrates its indigenous heritage through festivals, art, and traditional crafts. Arizona's southwestern cuisine, cowboy traditions, and lively fiestas add to its unique cultural identity. 7. Politics. Arizona's political landscape is known for its conservative-leaning tendencies, although the state has seen an increase in political diversity in recent years. The state plays a significant role in national politics and has been a battleground for contentious issues. Interesting stories and examples. The Grand Canyon. One of the world's most famous natural wonders, the Grand Canyon attracts millions of visitors each year. Its breathtaking beauty and sheer scale leave a lasting impression on all who witness its majesty. The Heard Museum. Located in Phoenix, the Heard Museum showcases Native American art, history, and culture. It offers a glimpse into the rich traditions and diverse indigenous communities that have shaped Arizona's heritage. Top 12 attractions in Arizona. 1. Grand Canyon National Park. 2. Sedona and Red Rock Country. 3. Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park. 4. Saguaro National Park. 5. Antelope Canyon. 6. Horseshoe Bend. 7. Petrified Forest National Park. 8. Lake Powell. 9. Tucson's Desert Museum. 10. Biosphere 2. 11. Historic Route 66. 12. Phoenix Desert Botanical Garden. Summary. Arizona, with its awe-inspiring landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, offers an unforgettable experience for visitors. From the majestic Grand Canyon to the vibrant streets of Phoenix, the state is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural heritage. Whether exploring ancient ruins, hiking through picturesque canyons, or immersing oneself in Native American traditions, Arizona captivates the hearts of all who venture within its borders. Poem. In the land where deserts paint the earth, Arizona's wonders find their birth. From the Grand Canyon's majestic might, to Sedona's red rocks, bathed in light. Phoenix, a city with a vibrant soul, where culture and arts take their toll. And Monument Valley, a sacred land, where Navajo tales forever stand. Saguaro cacti, proud and tall, in the Sonoran Desert, they enthrall. Antelope Canyon's mystical grace, a photographer's dream, in every space. Horseshoe Bend, where rivers curve, a sight that your heart will surely serve. Petrified Forest, ancient and wise, a glimpse into Earth's ancient ties. Lake Powell's waters, serene and clear, reflecting the beauty that's ever near. Tucson's Desert Museum, a desert gem, where nature's secrets, we uncover them. Biosphere 2, a scientific feat, an experiment where knowledge meets. And on Route 66, a historic trail, memories of the past forever prevail. In Phoenix's Desert Botanical Garden, flowers and cacti, a vibrant fusion. Arizona's allure, a treasure untold, a captivating story that unfolds. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.